WORKPROs. These were on sale for, it's a 2-pack for $23. So I paid basically $11.50 for these WORKPROs. They're great little flashlights. So they have belt clip, and then they also have this clip here where you can stick it on your hat. So this will double as a regular flashlight or a work light, you know, if you wear a hat. They're grandpa proof. One button. You got a high, medium, low strobe. Also, say you always want it to come on high. If you hold and press, it'll turn it off. So next time when you turn it on, it's immediately on that. And I'll do it on low. So it immediately starts off at low. And then you can just press it again. Another thing I like about these are rechargeable. So you just twist this. It's got a little rubber O-ring to keep the water out. And it's just your standard, which everything's going to, these USB-Cs. And, you know, you can charge it off anything. In fact, I've got this little, so this is a fan and a portable, it's also got a light on it. But it has a place where you can plug in. I keep hitting the fan button. You can plug in a cord, and then you plug in to your device, and it will start charging. There's a red light. So I really like this thing. It doesn't have that much battery, reserve battery, but it's, you know, it serves more than one purpose. So yeah, these WORKPRO lights here, these are going in my get home bag and my EDC bag. They had several different other colors. But for $11.50 for a flashlight that's rechargeable, one button, you can't go wrong with that. So if I can get me a link to these, I'm sure the price has gone up by now, but they're still a great little